In this video, I'm going to show you how to bend text in CorelDRAW. Now, the easiest way to do this is simply by having some text. For example, I just have two words, bend text, and then you want to select this tool over here on the left, which is the ellipse tool, so click on it and just draw out an ellipse, okay? It's up to you however you want the bend to be. So for example, I want it to be like this. Then you want to go and select your text like that, okay? You want to go to text up top, and then here you want to click on fit text to path. Now, after you do that, hover over your ellipse, and as you can see here, it's basically going to allow you to kind of select how you want to bend your text. So for example, let's say this is what I want to achieve. I'm just going to click on here, and there we go. The text is now kind of bent. I can go to the select tool, select the ellipse, and of course I can always go and kind of change this, and it's going to always show me a kind of the preview of what it's going to look like. So for example, if I just change this like that, it's going to bend the text differently, and whenever I'm happy, let's say this is the text I want to bend like that, I can just go ahead and select the ellipse. I can go and right click on it and do properties over here, and then inside properties I can just go to where you can see the outline and the color of it, click on the outline color, and then down here at the bottom left, click on this white sign like this, and there we go. It's going to remove the outline, and we now do have the text, which is basically bent. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.